first grade. Welcome back to Wednesday. It is Wednesday already. We're at the middle of our week, and in fact, we're toward the end of our school week as tomorrow, Thursday, is the last day of our school week. Let's get started right away with the calendar. Yesterday, I said to you that if you had paper, that would be a great thing for you to have so that you can practice writing the pattern, you can practice counting, you can do our skip counting, you can write all that out. That would be wonderful. It also helps with your problem of the day so that you have a chance to work through those things also. Remember that those problem of the days also show up on your guided class practice and your homework. So it is important that you're working through these with us. Let's get started. Today we will do our Addams Family. So make sure that you have your snapping fingers ready to go. Here we go. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then comes Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then comes Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, yesterday was Tuesday. There's your hint. If yesterday was Tuesday, what's today? What comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Yeah, and if you were listening, I already told you it was Wednesday. So, if you were already listening, you already knew today was Wednesday. If yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? After Wednesday comes Thursday. Come on. This is Fraser. All right, tomorrow is Thursday. Today is Wednesday, all day long, all day long. Yesterday was Tuesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's have fun, let's have fun. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so we do have 7 days in the week. Remember, we know ordinal position, and since we know ordinal position, we can also check that with our months of the year. So let's go ahead. We're going to check a couple of our months of the year this morning. Before we do that, let's go ahead and just say the months of the year today. If you want to clap on your hand, on your legs, or if you want to clap on your hands, or if you want to snap, or if you want to pound, only if you are allowed to pound at your table should you pound. Okay, let's go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, let's take a look. Think of your ordinal position. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. That's usually where we end, right? But you can go past 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 months in the year, and if there's 12 months in the year, that means that there's 12 positions in the calendar year. So, what is the second month of the year? We have to start with January. January is the first. And if January is the first month of the year, what is the second month of the year? January, February. February would be the second month in a year. How about, let's see, how about October? October would be the what month of the year? What is the ordinal position for October? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. October would be the 10th month of the year. Good for you. Today, while we're over here, we're going to do a little counting. We've been counting, skip counting, by tens. We have a new skip counting today that we are also going to look at. So first, let's review our counting by tens. Here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And you know that you can also go backwards. So let's go backwards. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 0. Now today we're going to learn some new counting, and that's counting by twos. We're going to count by twos today. We're going to start at 2 and we're going to count until we get to 20. Okay, so repeat after me. 2,
2,
4,
4,
6,
6,
8,
8,
10,
10,
12,
12,
14,
14,
16,
16,
18,
18,
20.
20.
We're going to do it one more time. The more that you practice this, the easier it's going to be. And you're going to need to count by twos a lot in first grade. So be ready. Here we go. 2,
2,
4,
4,
6,
6,
8,
8,
10,
10,
12,
12,
14,
14,
16,
16,
18,
18,
20.
20.
Okay, so every day we'll start counting by twos as well as skip counting by 10. Let's look at our problem of the day. Our problem of the day today is going to use our clock. So here we go. It says, at 4 o'clock, Jairo's mother said that they would eat dinner in 1 hour. At what time will they eat dinner? Well, what time was it when Jairo's mother said they would eat that they would eat? That was 4 o'clock. So at 4 o'clock, Jairo's mom said, we're going to eat dinner in 1 hour. In 1 hour is the same thing as 1 hour from now. So I know that I can take my clock and I can make it say 4 o'clock. And if I want to know what time it'll be in an hour, because that's when I get to eat my dinner, my minute hand has to make one full loop around the clock to change my hour to the next hour. We're not going backwards, we want to go forward. So what time will it be in 1 hour? In 1 hour, it will be 5 o'clock. And how do I know that? My hour hand is pointing down at my 5. My minute hand is pointing up at my 12. How will you show 5 o'clock? I'm going to put it right in between our days of the week. 5, that's your hour. Remember your colon, that's those 2 periods right on top of each other. And since it's o'clock, we don't have any extra minutes. O'clock is those 2 zeros. Very good. All right, let's move on. Let's look at our pattern for today. Our pattern today, we have a parallelogram, circle, and a rectangle. Notice the only thing different is that the rectangle is going up and down instead of sideways across. Does that make a difference if it's vertical versus horizontal? No, doesn't matter. Okay, so parallelogram, circle, rectangle. Parallelogram, circle, rectangle. What's going to come next? A parallelogram, and then circle, then a rectangle. Parallelogram, circle, and a rectangle. Now, what would that be for our pattern? What kind of pattern would that be? That would be an A, B, C pattern, okay? So the whole way through, that was an A, B, C pattern. Very good. First grade, we have one more piece to do today. Oh, 2. We need to know what the weather is. It's fall. What's the weather? Think about it. Look out your window. Remember yesterday I told you all your different options. Remember that you have one for temperature. Cool, hot, cold, and warm. Those are your 4 temperatures. And then what else is it like outside? Is it snowy, cloudy, sunny, or windy? So pick one of each. What is it like outside? Oh!
Or rainy.
Or is it rainy? Okay, so pick 2. Pick one for temperature and one for what else you notice about it outside. If it's sunny or cold, sunny or windy or rainy or snowy or cloudy. And first grade, the last thing we need to do today is work on our counting. Today we're starting with 105. It's a huge number, way over 100. So we are going to stop where you see that purple square today. Let's get started. If you have paper, be doing this with me because it's important that you are practicing these numbers. Here we go. 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119. And how did we write 119? 119, because 100 is that first one, and then you heard 19. And how do we write 19? 1 and then 9. Okay, first grade. That is all for calendar today. We will see you back here tomorrow.